Hey guys, welcome back to the Aino video tutorial series where we're teaching you how to become an expert in GIS analysis. Today, we're going to learn how to use the AI chatbot feature where you can just talk to your AI analyst using natural language.
To start, I asked the AI to drop a pin on the park, and it created a point there. And when you click on it, you can see the information it found, like opening hours and street address. We can ask a question that involves multiple steps, like show me all the parks in the Barcelona city center. It will tell us the steps it wants to take in detail, and we can edit them and correct it if necessary. For example, the AI wanted to create a buffer zone of 2 kilometers, but I changed it to 1.5 kilometers. After confirming the new plan with me, I hit OK and it starts the analysis. As you can see, it automatically found the center of the city and all the green spaces within the given buffer. If you click on any of the parks, you can see their name and attributes. You can use the @ symbol to specify data sources and / to reference specific layers. A commonly used data source is Microsoft Buildings, which gives you building footprints anywhere in the world. Another common data source is population, which creates hexagons that show the number of people living in an area. If you switch from basic to expert mode, you can ask questions as if you're speaking to a human GIS analyst. For example, here I ask which park serves the most people. It automatically created service area buffers, then ranked the parks from high to low, and gave us the name of the park that serves the most people. If you go to aino.world/data connectors, you can see all of the available data sources and details about each one. Stick around because in the next video, I'm going to show you how to import custom data to your project.